Before the video begins, I just wanted to let you know this is what your Facebook cover looks like. This is what I'm referring to in the following video tutorial, is the large picture at the top of your Facebook page. Hi everyone, this is Nikki with ChristianMommyBlogger.com, and I am here today to show you how to create a Facebook cover using some free software. I understand many people don't have Photoshop and don't know how to use it, and I was definitely one of those for quite some time. Used to enjoy Picnic, and that went away, so I've had to get used to some other things, which is PicMonkey. So let's hop on over and learn how to do this. With PicMonkey.com, it's a free site, and not only that, but there's not even the option for a paid site, which means you can't ever save it. Once you edit a photo and create it and save it and exit out of the site, you can't go back and edit it. And that's a bummer, because when you've created something, if you need a few tweaks, if you've closed the window, you're going to have to start over from scratch. So I encourage you, when you're doing this, creating this Facebook cover photo, that you edit it, save it as a JPEG, then or PNG, then go into your Facebook, upload your cover photo, see how it looks, and then go back and edit it if you need to make any changes. Now, with PicMonkey, you can edit a basic photo, which just means you open any old photo and you can do all of your standard editing. I'm not going to go into the details of that in this tutorial for the sake of time, but I will do another one of those to just kind of give you an overview. But basically, what we're going to do here, oops, I went out of the site, is we're going to create a collage. And this is one of my favorite things about PicMonkey, is they have all of these templates. So you can upload your photos, or they have stock photos you can use. But go over here, see where it says choose a collage layout to place your photos into. So it has the standard one, but look at this, Facebook cover. It couldn't be more perfect. Now, you might not see one that fits you perfectly right off the bat, but that's okay, because you can edit this. Now, I want you to note the size is 851 by 315. That fits into your Facebook cover perfectly. That means you won't have to drag or scroll to see your Facebook cover once you've uploaded it to your site. If you use Photoshop or any other site that doesn't have a template for your Facebook cover already created, you're going to want to make sure you do 851 by 315. That's your pixel size. You can adjust the size of everything, and you can drag and drop. You'll see. So what we're going to do here is upload. So now once you're in this format, you can go over to your pictures and you can upload photos. I'm sorry, I thought I had one already set aside. Okay. Let's see, I created this earlier, and let's get another one for... Okay, so what I've done is I've created, now if you're going to use PicMonkey to create your pictures, you're going to have to do this before you try to create your collage. And you might struggle a little bit going back and forth trying to figure out what size you need your picture to be to fit in these cells nicely. But again, you know the whole space is 851. You have some room for the margin in between. So let's go over here. I'm going to say I like having the backdrop white, but you can change that over here. You can adjust your color and your spacing and all of those things. So let's go back to here. Okay, so I decided I want to do my butterfly here, and I can adjust it here, move it around if I'd like. So let's get this centered there. And my little slogan for our site. Now, it's cut off, we can't see it, so let's, oops, one second here. You gotta find just the right space. There you go. Once you find, sometimes it can be a little tricky. So just see how there's 4 arrows? Move it over until you find there, that little double arrow, so you can make it bigger or smaller as you see fit. Now, you'll see that this looks a little, the butterfly looks a little blurry, so I'm going to keep going until it looks like it's just the right ratio for me. There. And so that's so far what I have. And then let's go over and let's pick a, nope, that's too dark. Oops. Find a nice color here that matches my leaf. I'm not having much luck. There we go. We're getting in the right, better direction there. Okay. So I'm going to do, I changed the color. You can see how I did that. I want to make it thinner, or I can make it thicker. And you can also, if you know the color code, the hex color, you can input that in if you have a color palette that you've been using for everything. There. Transparent background would make it just disappear, so it looks like these two things are floating. I will tell you that the Facebook background that you're going to upload this picture to is white, so if you do transparent you won't see anything. So I like it to look like the whole entire thing is custom. So then you're going to save it. Select your stuff. I've already saved it over here. I've already saved the real one. And then you go into your Facebook and you upload your cover. And you can see here, that's what it looked like after I uploaded it. I used the actual color from my color palette. But you just go there, go to this area here and say change cover, and then it allows you to upload a photo. So that's it. That's how you create a custom photo in PicMonkey. And I will also tell you that you'll notice I left the site. So if I wanted to change the cover photo once it was uploaded, I'd have to do it again. But I did want to tell you that for this specific example, this picture that I used here is about 475 pixels wide with a white background. So it fills in to whatever size I see fit. But again, you can drag and drop this area in PicMonkey to make this narrower if you need to. This square, if you'd wanted to do something like we did and have a slogan for your site, this square I did 300 by 300, and I thought that created a nice ratio because it's just over 1/3 of the size, so you have a little bit of wording and then your logo, because you really want to make sure you're branding yourself. You want to make sure that when people see your website, your Facebook page, your Twitter page, your Pinterest page, etc., even your email signature, that they see something that reminds you of the site, where they can tell, oh, I've seen that butterfly somewhere. Where have I seen that? And they'll start to learn that that's you, whatever your branding might be. So that's about it. PicMonkey.com, use it. It's a great site for free photo editing. And if you guys have any other questions about PicMonkey or a specific tutorial you'd like me to do, please leave a comment or email me. You can email me at nikki@christianmommyblogger.com, and I would be happy to do any tutorial that you guys would like as long as I know how to do it. All right, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye.